Now, I am going to try my hand at product reviews. So every now and then I might purchase something, and might as well give you a bit of a rundown on how good it is or it isn't. Purchased with my own money. Obviously, I'm a YouTube superstar. But today will be the Tactix Bluetooth hearing protection. So I've been after a good set of earmuffs. I've had these ones here for a while now, but I wouldn't give that a good review. Kind of rubbish. I've got a big head, so they fully extended. I mean, they do work, but what you find is the ends pop off and stabs you in the head. So that's not about these. I wanted to get a decent set. What I like about these is the Bluetooth connectivity. So you know, with any luck they work. But straight out of the box, they're actually, presentation is fantastic. You know, they're taking seems to be taking a leaf out of Apple's book. You've got a nice little tab there. Some good looking boxing, and so let's pull them out. So we've got you've got Bluetooth FM radio mode. Select, set up. So there's the buttons. So soft air cushions, comfortable lightweight frames. Push to listen, engage the ambient sound, and conversations can be heard without removing earmuffs. Fantastic. LCD display. So it has all the info around the box. Let's open them up and see what they work. Again, it's packaging. One thing with Tactix, I've noticed they've sort of come onto the market. I don't know how long, but I've bought a lot of their storage cases. It looks like they're branching out into other things other than just storage boxes. I've got some larger boxes and some little part storage. So a nice fuzzy background here. Holder. There we go. So, straight out, pretty sturdy. This will be the clincher. See whether they'll actually fit on my huge noggin. A little bit of an issue there. Looks like there's an audio port or something. Doesn't quite line up in the housing, but wouldn't stop you plugging something in. Probably alright if I give it a bit of a. There we go, so now it's lined up. But would have been nice to do that out of the factory. Let's see if it sits on the noggin. Perfect. Really good. They've actually got a bit more, bit of room to move. So, look great. Nice material on the inside. So it comes with some accessories. And probably some instructions. Probably should go through the instructions. Okay, again, presentation fantastic. Comes with a looks like an audio lead, a charging lead. It's a micro USB, and the battery. So there we we go. Let's find out where the battery goes. Who needs instructions? Looks like this side panel probably comes off. There we go. Up. Instructions, easy, job done. She's in. Bluetooth. Let's hook it up to the phone. Shows up in the list. Job done. So let's see if she plays music. Good. So far, bloody fantastic. Looks like what we've got here. This button's a bit of a mode. If you're playing music through your phone, you press it, it stops the music. It's still giving you the whole ear protection. If you hold the button, it changes over to, I'd say, a speaker somewhere, possibly in here. Sorry, a microphone. It picks up the ambient sound and it's very clear. You can hear you, and very instant as well. So quite impressed with that. So you can hear anybody that comes in and has a bit of a chat to you. So actually probably that one. But anyway, so so far this is going to be great. What I will be able to do with this as well, for any budding YouTube presenters out there as well, not that I'll be hopefully doing too much talking with the earmuffs on, but hopefully as I'm recording I can talk, use this microphone to get audio onto the recording. So I'm pretty happy with that. So I'll use it for a few days, weeks, and I'll come back with a bit of an update to see whether it's actually as good as it seems it's going to be.
Yeah, at the moment, I'll pair it up with the phone or the video recorder, and just sitting in the off position, so there's no as you use it with a while you work, making noises. So we'll see what happens as I go through the settings.
So it's about time I finish off this review. So by using these, they didn't seem to cut out as much noise as even some of the cheaper options, but as soon as you start adding in the functionality for with the Bluetooth from your phone to the speakers, absolutely magic. You don't need to turn the sound right up. For the most part, I use them for blowing the gives around on the in the yard, and they've been absolutely fantastic. Could not recommend them highly enough. I don't think I've used half the functionality that they actually have. But they're comfortable. Yeah, you get sweaty ears, but any earmuff's going to do that. You get a phone call, you can hit the button, it's clear. I mean, it's a Bluetooth device. They're never 100%. So absolutely fantastic. So thumbs up. I think they're still $70 from Bunnings, $69, something like that, and well worth it. As I think I said in the unboxing, they're quite sturdy. You can feel the quality in them. Bit of a fan of Tactix stuff. They go. I'll peel the stickers off. So we've got all this stuff here. Absolutely fantastic. Even they come in bigger ones than these. We use them for camping. All of them very, very sturdy equipment. But for the purpose of this review, these things, 2 thumbs up. Fantastic. So, right, thanks guys, and we'll see you in the next review.